how to take a snapshot or a frame from your video and insert it into Photoshop a little bit. So let's just stick it right there. Keep it right there. Boom. Video, take snapshot. Drag and drop the images that we created. Boom. That's one. Just select around my person. And you want to go right here to this little circle in the middle of the square and hit that. That's going to give you an alpha channel color, because what we're going to do is cut out all of this background. So let's see with the quick select tool, because we do have a nice hard edge around our character. So we need it to be black, so we're going to go to edit, fill, make it black. Boom. I know I'm going kind of fast, you know, if you got to pause it to go back and get it, go back and get it. But as you see, now